three exhausted but determined public servants. One was Wayne Brown, one was Butch Brown, and Andy Hughes. And you could see in their eyes that they had been working 24/7, but they had the basis for a plan of recovery, and they were getting it underway.
Being able to connect all of the communities that stream along here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast is very important. We've been disjointed, and this storm is bringing us together, and this is a visual that shows the reconnecting of the entire Mississippi Gulf Coast.
Then the MDOT staff, they were here the day of the hurricane, the day after the hurricane, for days, weeks, and months. They worked nights and weekends, long hours. I have never been so proud of anybody I've worked with as I have with them.
It's a symbol of the coast. I really believe that once that bridge is reconnected, it will be probably the biggest sign of recovery this coast has had.
The one thing I implored President Bush, please, Mr. President, get that bridge open. That is our lifeline.
It's just everybody wants to get back to normal. Normal's a whiles away. We still have a way to go in getting back to normal.
The Department of Transportation, they need to get a lot of credit as well. Back in 2004, they approached the legislature to consider a new concept, a new tool for their arsenal in road development, and it was design build. And had we not adopted it back in 2004, we may just only be breaking ground on this bridge today had we been lucky. So we're not going to break ground, we're going to drive across this thing. This bridge was initially planned using the design-build concept, and the design-build concept allowed this bridge to move quickly and to fruition today. From the day they began driving their first piling until the day is about 10 months. No other bridge in the history of the United States this size and scope and magnitude can come close to that number.
Well, unless you're from here, you really can't feel the excitement because it's a major part of our lives.
And our rebirth, I mean, we're finally connected all again on the coast. So it is just so exciting and important that it just is another piece of the puzzle.
Oh, well, you know, I think I read that joke in the newspaper in the sound off where, you know, a guy walks into the dentist, dentist looks in his mouth, says, "You have Katrina mouth." He said, "What in the world is Katrina mouth?" And the dentist said, "You need two bridges." And God knows we need two bridges, you know.